All right, what a day. It is beautiful. And we're going to give thanks. And what a lovely, look what we have here. We've got bananas, simple, papaya. And then we made a cacao banana sauce. And we got a few mulberries and mint leaves. Mint leaves, yeah. So this is for my wife and my friend Charlie from the East Coast, who's a lifeguard. And there he is. What a good guy.
Hey, all right, we got a nice meal prepared, right?
Yeah.
Man, I'm hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, especially looking at this.
Looking at this, yeah,
Oh.
yeah. So Charlie came over from the East Coast, and Charlie, you're looking to make a change in your diet, right?
Yes, I've been wanting to make adjustments for a long time and get away from the things that I know aren't so good for me, to get into more foods and meals like this that are just good for you and are going to benefit your health, and make you think better and feel better.
Yeah, yeah,
And
great.
Drop off a few pounds, that'd be great.
Yeah,
Perform better on the job.
yep. You got to do that swim coming up.
Yeah, I got a swim test coming up, so I better be ready. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So we're gonna, without further ado, we're gonna sit down and chow down. And here's my lovely wife, JoJo.
Hi.
All right. We'll see you all later. Rolling. We are rolling.
Joanne, where did your food go?
Where's your food, Joanne?
Yeah. Yeah, Tom, what'd you do with that?
Look at my bowl. I think I'm going to start licking it.
Come on.
No, I got stuff left here. I'm not gonna be a savage like him and lick it. Though.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna get what's left. Oh,
So, Charlie, you're on your way now.
yes. In a
Yes.
couple of days, I'm down the road of eating fruit mostly,
Yeah.
and having a meal like this lets me know that this is quite satisfying.
It is.
Yes.
It's satisfying. It's filling. You don't feel numb after you eat it. You know what I mean? You feel clear still, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's plenty of recipes you can make, or just eat simple.
Yeah.
You can eat one fruit at a time, or you can make a few different fruits at a time,
Yeah.
Mono
like
meal.
this.
Mono meals, or these are what? We had mainly three things. Just
Banana,
two.
papaya.
And then just the sauce. So it's really just two. And then we threw in a little,
Little garnish, a little mulberry, dried
Look.
mulberry, and some mint.
and
Yeah.
that was it. Yeah. Yeah. So simple.
Yeah.
You like
You did it good.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was delicious. The mint
Good.
definitely gave it a fresh.
Yeah. The mint did help a lot.
No,
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta use mint more often.
Yeah.
But the mint it needed more water, so I only got the little new shoots, and
Nice.
the mint leaves were much bigger before when we had all that rain.
Yeah. The little ones were nice though. Yeah, they were
the
good.
bites that you did get mint in, it was a nice little
It was delicious.
flavor, nice little flavor,
Yeah.
added flavor to it.
The bananas were just a tad overripe. Just a tad. They would have been good in a smoothie either way, you know?
Or you don't notice it so much with the papaya mixed in with the sauce, so you don't
Yeah.
really
Right.
notice that they're a little bit
Yeah,
overripe.
yeah.
You
That's
still
right.
taste
That's
the
right.
sweetness of the banana.
Yeah, yeah.
It was very well covered.
So what do we say? What do we give this? How many thumbs
Oh,
ups?
how many? I got toes too.
All right,
Oh, my
toes and
goodness.
thumbs up.
Oh.
All the best. Fruit up, right?
Yes, enjoy.
All right.